Loh, katanya kerja. Kok muncul? Gak bisa tinggal no ya.
Hello everyone, meet again with me. It's me again. Welcome back to my channel. Itu tadi diantar suami, Pak. Kebetulan tempat les, tempat kerjanya itu dekat jadi bus gitu semari.
Ustadz Ustazah,
Mhm.
ini MyWMM itu berubah ya? Kok
Berubah jadi
beda
apa ya, Pak?
tampilannya?
Enggak,
Maksudnya
enggak.
tampilannya
Saya
berubah
tetap,
terus
Enggak kok, Pak. Atau
ya
saya
saya
belum
tetap pakai.
pembaruan ya?
tampilan.
Oh iya, logonya berubah. Ini bentar, buka.
Oh, I see.
Ya,
Ah, saya
Oh,
belum belum mengecek. Kayaknya tadi atau saya belum pembaruan ya? Logo apa ya?
ya, sekarang kok berubah emang.
Logo apa?
Nah,
Oh,
oh,
berubah
tampilannya
bagian.
aja.
Ah, I see.
Oh, disuruh login ulang. Nah,
Kok saya enggak ya?
sampai udah
Kayaknya memang saya belum update ini.
absen.
I try medicine, I try therapy,
Nama siapa?
I try.
iya,
Namanya siapa?
tanya ini,
Apa?
tanya namanya.
Hello,
Siapa?
my name is Wahyu. My name is Wahyu. What's your name?
Hah?
Apa
Hmm,
namanya?
what's your name?
Cantik.
Hello, it's me. Bakal asidik. Mbak Dev, ini Mbak Dev.
Muridnya Bu Ama itu.
Nih, bagaimana perjalanan dakwah Abu Bakar
Iya Pak, ini
Ash-Shiddiq?
lagi ngomong bu dosennya belum masuk Pak.
Ya, sip.
Ya,
Timut-timut.
Okay, Bapak Ibu, I'm back. Alright. Aduh, tadi batuk ini. Bapak Ibu, before I continue our second session, I would like to give information related to our next meeting. Ooh, it's raining here. So heavy.
yes, same.
Yeah, our next meeting next week on Wednesday. So I have to attend important meeting next week, Bapak Ibu. Jadi minggu depan hari Rabu itu saya ada rapat tepat pukul 1 seperti itu di jam kita mengajar. Kalau misalnya minggu depan kita itu ganti jadwal, kira-kira memungkinkan nggak ya Bapak Ibu? Is it possible for
Reschedule-nya hari
us
apa?
to
Bu Ai.
reschedule? Is it possible to change the schedule to the same time but on on Tuesday? Kalau misalnya maju
Oh,
hari Selasa tetap jam 1.20 seperti itu, apakah memungkinkan, Gih?
sebentar. Selasa 1.20. Saya
Pak
cek
Arif
dulu,
Zuhri.
Gemis.
Jamnya Pak
Oh
Arif
iya,
Zuhri.
Pak Arif Zuhri. I'm so sorry.
Oke. Bapak Ibu yang kosong kira-kira hari apa, Gih?
Sebentar, saya carikan. Ayo kita
Hari
cari
Jumat pagi,
teman-teman.
Miss. Jumat pagi. Jumat pagi.
Ya,
Hmm,
Jumat pagi. Ya.
Jumat pagi pukul berapa? Saya Jumat pagi ada kelas ya Bapak Ibu. Dari pagi sampai
Sabtu pagi,
Oke.
Mi.
Selain
Sabtu,
Jumat, Miss. Iya, selain Jumat
Sabtu
gimana?
pagi.
Pagi.
Saya
Jam
coba Bu
8.
Amarilis. Sebentar Bu Amarilis, dilihat dulu jadwal yang lainnya dulu. Jangan sampai bentrok ya.
Oh,
Hari
Ayo.
Sabtu jam 11 kewarganegaraan. Sebelum itu nggak ada, Bu.
Oh, oke, ya sudah. Sabtu, Sabtu.
Kalau misalnya, nah,
Saya mulai
hari
menghafal
Sabtu ini
jadwal
saya
Sabtu.
ada DQLP Bapak Ibu. Jadi dosen karyawan di UMM itu ada DQLP, Development of DQ, Quranic Literature, something like that. Itu dari pagi sampai siang. Jadi mungkin kalau Sabtu setelah duhur, apakah bisa kira-kira?
Sabtu setelah
Sabtu
duhur.
jam
Sekarang juga kita Sabtu setelah zuhur baru ada itu sore jam 4 kelasnya Fikih Ibadah.
online juga.
Fikih ibadah, fikih ibadah habis sore ya, bisa asar ya.
Sebentar,
Oke,
sebentar.
nggak apa-apa Bapak Ibu. Jadi Sabtu besok itu
Habis
Sebentar.
duhur kayaknya, Bu. Yang keluarga negaraan itu kan pagi ya, Mbak ya?
Kewarganegaraan itu kan dipindah lagi itu. Ya Allah, sebentar ya.
nggak apa-apa Bapak Ibu. Jadi Sabtu satu meeting aja kita nggak apa-apa.
Sabtu
Maksudnya
itu.
satu meeting
Mm-mm.
aja, tidak langsung dua gitu. Yang selanjutnya bisa kita set di hari yang lain gitu. Kalau
Mm-mm.
misalnya Bapak Ibu sorenya
Jam
ada
setengah
kelas
dua.
gitu.
Sabtu
Sabtu
itu
setengah
jam
dua.
Mm-mm.
Setengah dua
Sabtu
kayaknya
jam
kosong
10.
ya?
Setengah 2 kosong,
Setengah dua
Miss.
kosong kayaknya.
Oke. Kalau misalnya Sabtu pukul 1 begitu bisa atau tidak kira-kira?
Sabtu pukul 1 ya. Sabtu pukul 1.
Kosong kayaknya. Bu Ika jam 10.
Oh iya, pukul 1 bisa, Miss.
Kayaknya jam 1 ya. Jam 1,
Mm.
jam setengah 2, insya Allah.
Jam
Oke,
setengah
oke.
2, setengah 2. Karena jam setengah 1 masih ada Bu Im. Jadi setengah
Oke.
2 sampai itu. Setengah 2
Asar.
Satu meeting
sampai.
aja Bapak Ibu.
Oke.
Setengah 2 berarti sampai jam setengah 2, jam 2.
Sampai
Kalau
asar.
langsung
Kita sampai
Habis
asar.
juga ada. Iya, asar kita
Sampai
juga ada
asar.
jam.
Bisa sampai asar.
bisa.
Is that
Iya,
okay? Is that
oke.
possible?
Berarti ini dibagi menjadi 2 atau 1?
Untuk minggu depan kita ketemu tidak bertemu hari Rabu, tapi bertemu hari Sabtu, satu meeting saja dulu. Untuk selanjutnya kita bisa set di waktu yang lain. Biar hari
Oke.
Sabtu Bapak Ibu tidak terlalu capek juga.
Yang terlalu capek kami
Berarti
Kamis,
Sabtu
Miss.
ini apa Sabtu depan ya, Miss?
Oke,
Sabtu
Sabtu
ini
depan.
apa Sabtu depannya?
Sabtu depan. Sabtu depan.
Berarti
Jadi untuk
2
Sabtu
minggu.
ini boten. Jadi
Atau
untuk next
atau
week.
Miss gini, atau Miss bagi Sabtu ini sama Sabtu depan. Jadi Miss gak ada utang.
Oh, nggak apa-apa Bapak Ibu, next week aja.
Oke.
Because this week we finish our 2 meetings, and then next week we are going to make up class or change the schedule from Wednesday dari hari Rabu itu tidak ada ke hari Sabtu untuk satu meeting saja dulu. Nanti saya diingatkan, Miss masih punya utang loh satu meeting gitu ya Bapak Ibu.
Oke, Miss.
Takutnya malah saya yang lupa. Takut saya
tugas
Bapak
aja.
Ibu kalau punya utang itu.
Oh, yang satu tugas saja.
Oh, yang satu mau tugas aja. Good idea. Nanti saya pikirkan lah ya, Pak ya. Nanti gampang. Kita
Pak,
selesaikan
tugasnya
yang
UAK,
satu.
Pak. Aku belum selesai ngerjain loh, Pak.
Oh, bayang tugas. Nanti tugasnya pas UTS saja, nggih Bapak Ibu ya.
Oke.
Kalau yang untuk meeting kita yang per minggu itu kita latihan saja. Karena nanti buat UTS nanti akan ada project. Next project for your midterm test. So no worries. Bu Wahyu, G-Drive-nya masih banyak ya, Bu Wahyu ya?
Masih.
Siap. Okay. Bapak Ibu, so next week on Wednesday we will have no meetings, and then we are going to meet each other on Saturday at 1:30. Okay. Right. Thank you so much for your help and for your understanding. I really appreciate that, Bapak Ibu. Okay. HKI Rabu pindah Sabtu jam 1:30. Okay. Right. Okay, so it's time for us to continue our discussion to the next topic. Of course, different topic. Oh, the rain is very heavy. Di tempat Bapak Ibu, hujan atau tidak?
Yes, it's very heavy. Heavy
Yes,
rain.
it's very heavy ya.
Fine.
Alright.
Yes, this is
Oke, alhamdulillah saya tidak punya cucian ya. Nah, biasanya kalau tiba-tiba hujan lagi ngajar, ya Allah cucianku gitu. Okay, Bapak Ibu, let's start our second session. But before that, wait. Let me share the screen first. Okay, this one. All right, so can you see my screen, Bapak Ibu? I hope you can see that.
Pusing.
Okay, yes. What can you see on your screen, Bapak Ibu? Can you see someone holding her hand?
It looks she is
Please
stressed.
repeat me.
Okay, she looks very stressed. Okay, what do you think that makes her very stressed, Pak Faisal? Kira kenapa ya Mbak
Maybe
ini kok
she is
stres ya?
big burden
Deadline.
in his life and
Okay.
Banyak
uh,
tugas.
not getting a solution. Many
Okay, so
tasks.
maybe he has a very big problems in her life and not get the solution yet. Very good. Itu tadi siapa yang bilang banyak tugas, Miss? Bu Dewi pasti ini.
Dewi.
Curhat, itu curhat.
Bu Dewi kalau banyak tugas pusing juga nggak Bu Dewi?
Hai,
Yes.
Bu.
Iya ya Bapak Ibu. Makanya saya tidak mau kasih tugas banyak-banyak. Tugasnya project aja. Alright, so Bapak Ibu, please imagine that this person, this mbak-mbak is your friend. Yeah, what if this person is your friend, then she feels unhappy, she feels sad, she has a very big problem. What will you do if she is your friend?
I
Bu Ama.
suggest
I
all
try to ask her about
So,
the situation with her situation. Like,
all
how
right.
are you? Do you need my help? What can I do for you, my friends? Why are you look
Alright.
so sad?
All right. So you are going to make sure about the condition, right?
Right, Miss.
Okay. Thank you, Bu Ama. And Bu Wahyu, maybe you want to say something?
no, Miss. Same with Miss Amarilis.
Okay. Right. If she answer your question, oh, I have no money, what will you do?
Kerja.
I am
Yes, you
I,
have money.
I am sad because I have no money. What will you suggest?
You have to work.
Work
Nah,
very
see,
hard. Work very hard. Karena Allah itu tidak akan mengubah nasib suatu kaum tanpa dia merubah nasibnya sendiri. Betul nggak Bapak Ibu?
Don't be mager.
Don't be mager. Work hard. Okay. So today we are going to discuss about this one. This is our topic today. Suggest or suggestion. So how can we suggest somebody else? How can we suggest our family? How can we give suggestion to our children in English? Suggest means menyarankan. Suggestion means saran. Jadi kita akan belajar bagaimana cara memberi saran atau meminta saran atau memberi saran, and also merespon saran from somebody else. Yes. All right. So this is our topic of discussion today. Asking for suggestion. Asking means meminta saran, giving suggestion, and responding suggestion. So we have three main topics of discussion today. Have you ever got suggestion, Bapak Ibu? Maybe from your friends or your parents, your family? What is the unforgettable suggestion you got from other people? Saran yang menurut Bapak Ibu tidak terlupakan. and you hold that suggestion you bring, that suggestion with you until now. Apa kira-kira Bapak Ibu? Ada nggak?
For
Fearing
me,
Allah
please
is
be patient. For me,
Be
please be
patient.
patient
Please be patient. Oh,
all
okay.
time,
So
all the time.
please be patient all the time. Itu saran dari siapa Pak Faisal? If I may know.
Kiai, what is Kiai in
From your teacher, from your religious
my
teacher.
religious teacher? Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
right. Yes, please be patient.
Yeah.
Even though sometimes, Pak, it is me, yeah. As a human being, I am not always patient. Sometimes I have a situation in my life that makes me feel I want to scream. I cannot be patient all the time. Right. Okay, maybe Bu Wahyu, what is
So
your
I give you
answer?
suggestion to be grateful, Mistri Wahyu.
Sure.
Be
What is your
grateful.
suggestion? What is
Be
your suggestion for
grateful.
me, Pak?
Be
Be
grateful.
grateful. Be
Yes.
grateful.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
grateful is the power to be patient, to do activities more easily, and so on. Be grateful.
Okay. So be grateful is the
Yeah.
door to
Yes.
patient.
Yeah.
Okay, Pak. I
Yeah.
actually try to be grateful every day.
Yeah.
Maybe I will.
The more
I need.
grateful, if the people have more grateful, and he will be more patient. That is the formula.
Subhanallah. Okay, Pak. I will apply that in my life
Please try.
again and again. Yes. Thank you so much for your suggestion, Pak.
Welcome,
Maybe Bu Wahyu.
welcome.
Bu Wahyu,
Yes, Miss.
what is the unforgettable suggestion you got in your life?
Focus on what you can control, and you can control what happened, but you can control your response and love yourself.
Okay. Please be focused on something you can control in your life and also love
Mhm.
yourself.
Mhm.
Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, maybe another one wants to share to us the most unforgettable suggestion from parents or friends or family. Yes, Bu Amma.
when I was just a kid, my parents always remind me for Salah prayers in that time.
Yes. Yes, I agree.
And always remembering Allah in every situation.
Yes. Yes, I agree because that is the same suggestion that my parents always talk to me, I mean. Right. Okay. If I can share the best and unforgettable suggestion from my dad is that my dad always said to me that, "Dek, jangan berhenti belajar," things like that.
Bil diterjemahkan, Bu.
Oke. Jadi suggestion atau saran yang paling memorable adalah dari almarhum ayah saya. Dulu ayah saya tuh sering bilang gini, Bapak Ibu. Adik-adik, don't stop learning. Don't forget to always learning. Jangan lupa dan jangan stop belajar. At that time, saat saya masih sekolah dulu, saya berpikir, I think ayah ngomong gitu tuh karena ya saya masih sekolah. Jadi jangan berhenti belajar gitu. And then after I finish my school, after I finish my degree, after I finish my master degree, setelah saya lulus kuliah, lulus master, ayah saya tuh tetap bilang, sampai saya kerja itu, "Dek, jangan lupa belajar, jangan berhenti belajar." Ih, kan aku sudah nggak sekolah ya, saya mikirnya. Kan aku juga udah nggak sekolah ya, ngapain belajar-belajar? Kan aku sudah ngajar gitu. And at the end, I realized something very important, that pesan itu mengingatkan saya bahwa selama kamu hidup tuh kamu harus belajar, nggak cuma saat sekolah aja yuk gitu. Jadi sampai sekarang itu yang saya pegang teguh, pesan or suggestion from my dad, that as long as you lived, as long as you have a breath, selama kamu masih bisa bernafas, it is your chance, your opportunity to learn every day, every time. Jadi tidak ada istilahnya tuh berhenti belajar. Yuk, kamu meskipun sudah kerja, meskipun sudah ngajar, jangan berhenti belajar. Something like that. Dan itu saya pegang teguh sampai sekarang, Bapak Ibu. So that's why every time I teach, saya mengajar Bapak Ibu, there is always something that I get from Bapak Ibu semuanya. Tidak hanya saya yang mengajar, tapi saya juga dapat pelajaran dari Bapak Ibu semua. There is something I know every time I see you. Something new that I know every time I see you and I communicate with you.
May
Contohnya,
Allah,
yang
Yes. May Allah forgive sebentar. May Allah forgive your father and grant him the best place. Amin.
Oh, amin ya Allah. Ayah banyak yang doain ayah nih. Ayah didoain sama Bapak Ibu juga. Thank you so much for the prayer.
I remember
Uh-uh.
Gus Dur quote.
Okay, what is that, Bapak Ibu?
Yeah, according similar with your visit from your dad
Yes.
in Indonesia like this. Banyak orang kuliah tapi tidak belajar.
Nah,
Tapi banyak orang tidak kuliah tapi dia terus belajar.
yeah, thank you so much. Very
Ah.
beautiful.
Bagus,
Aduh, jadi melo saya.
Yeah, I agree very much.
Ya,
Yeah.
mudah-mudahan Allah
Long
kasih
life,
kita,
long life studying.
yes, long life studying, never
long
stop
life
learning.
Yeah.
Never stop learning. Mudah-mudahan Allah kasih kita ilmu yang bermanfaat ke Bapak Ibu, umur panjang biar kita bisa lebih
Amin.
lama belajar lagi. Oke,
Amin.
semangat Bapak Ibu. Thank you so much. Maybe Pak Nur Ali, what is the best suggestion from others that you got in your life?
My suggestion is uh, my suggestion is
Suggestion.
my child, wherever, whenever she should study also whenever.
Oke, belajar dimanapun dia berada, gitu ya Pak?
Apa saja dan di mana saja harus selalu belajar.
Yes, exactly. That's exactly the same message or suggestion that I got from my dad, my father. Kalau Pak Nur pernah dapat suggestion apa Pak dari orang yang sampai sekarang masih Bapak ingat tuh?
Ada guru saya sudah sepuh dan
Iya.
sudah almarhum. Mudah-mudahan Allah mengampuni dan mudah-mudahan Allah menerima amal ibadahnya.
Amin.
Kamu ini meskipun kamu ini nggak pantas jadi guru. Padahal aku sekolah guru. Terus kamu mengajari guru katanya gitu. Maka kamu harus jadi contoh bagaimana harus belajarnya dulu. Makanya aku belajar usia sekarang. Itu menginspirasi. Nggak tahu bahasa Inggrisnya gimana, belum ditata.
Yeah, before you become to teach somebody else, learn how to teach it first. Tuh, jadi sebelum kita ngajar, kita harus belajar dulu. So that's why Pak Nur sampai sekarang masih keep learning ya Pak ya? Sampai sekarang masih tetap belajar.
Masih, yes.
Yes. Pak Nur, you know what? Pak Nur tahu nggak? Pak Nur Ali become one of the person. Yes.
Putus-putus suaranya, Bu.
Oke. I will repeat. Saya ulangi. Pak Nur Ali, you become one of the person I look up to. Jadi Pak Nur Ali menjadi salah satu orang yang I look up to, yang menjadi rujukan saya gitu Pak. Karena I can see that your spirit to learn something new is very big, very high. Semangat Pak Nur tuh luar biasa. Bahkan saya nih Pak yang masih let's say masih muda ini kadang tuh males belajar. Baru kalau ingat kalimat ayah saya baru dah saya tuh baru semangat. Tiap kali saya malas, saya ingat kalimat ayah saya dan sekarang tambah. Spirit saya bertambah. Tiap kali saya malas, saya ingat Pak Nur Ali. Thank you Pak Nur for become the role model for me. Thank you so much. Thank you. Kan saya sekarang sudah nggak bisa lihat ayah saya ya Pak. Jadi saya lihat Pak Nur boleh ya Pak?
Allah maghfir lahu warhamhu wa'afi wa
Amin, 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 amin. Oke,
Okay.
Bapak Ibu,
Don't be
waduh ini kalau
cry.
dilanjutkan saya nangis.
Don't be cry, Miss.
Oke,
Be
thank
happy.
you. Yes. I promise my dad to be happy. Alright. Oh my God, saya cengeng sekali. Alright, let's continue, Bapak Ibu. So I repeat that today we are going to learn 3 main points: asking for suggestion, giving suggestion, and responding suggestion. Right. Okay, let's continue to the next slide. Nah, ini Bapak Ibu. Jadi, kalau kita mau meminta saran, meminta saran, we can use this phrase. Jadi Bapak Ibu bisa pilih. If you want to ask for suggestion, Bapak Ibu bisa memilih 1 atau 2 di antara pilihan yang saya provide ini. The first is, what do you think I should do? Nah, ini agak panjang nih Bapak Ibu. Tapi nggak apa-apa. If you want to use this, that's okay. Ini yang agak gampang dipakainya. Any ideas on this? Ada ide nggak? Atau yang paling sering dipakai nih nomor 3. What should I do? Aku harus ngapain ya? Or number 4. Do you have any suggestion? Kamu punya saran nggak? Do you have any suggestion for me? Kamu punya saran nggak buat saya? Or how would you handle this? Kira-kira gimana ya caramu untuk menyelesaikan ini? Or the last one. Can you give me an idea on this? Bisa kasih aku suggestion nggak? Nah, itu. Yang paling banyak dipakai. Number 3, Bapak Ibu. What should I do? Paling banyak dipakai, paling sering dipakai karena paling gampang. What should I do? Okay, something like that. But if Bapak Ibu wants to use another one, Miss nggak mau pakai yang nomor 3, mau pakai yang nomor 4, that's okay. Do you have any suggestion or do you have any ideas? That's okay. You can use 1 or 2 of them. Oke, kira-kira Bapak Ibu mau pilih yang mana? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
What should I do?
What should I do, right? Very easy to use. Nih, paling banyak saya pakai. Nih, what should I do? Alright. Okay. Next, we move to the next expression, to giving suggestion. Kalau yang ini asking for, meminta saran. Kalau yang ini giving suggestion, memberi saran. Nah, gimana caranya? Bapak Ibu bisa pakai yang pertama. My suggestion is, saran saya, misalnya teman Bapak Ibu or kolega di kantor, oh my God, I have a toothache. Atau, aduh, aku lagi sakit gigi nih. Nah, Bapak Ibu bisa bilang, my suggestion is, please see your dentist. Saran saya sih, segera ketemu dokter gigi deh. Tuh. Or number 2, you can also use this one. I suggest you to go or to meet your dentist. Atau ini paling gampang nih. You should. Kalau pertanyaannya yang tadi, what should I do? Jawabnya bisa pakai yang nomor 3 ini. Sebenarnya bisa pakai semuanya ya Bapak Ibu. You should. Gitu. Nah, yang nomor 4, if I were you, I would. Miss, kenapa itu pakai were ya, Miss? Kok nggak pakai was? Nah, karena diawali dengan if ini, Bapak Ibu. If ini adalah if clause atau conditional sentence. Jadi, hanya di conditional sentence tipe kedua, di mana setelah I tidak pakai was, tapi pakai were. Itu. Syaratnya ada if-nya di belakang, di depan. So, if I were you, I would meet my dentist, for example. Kalau aku jadi kamu, aku akan ketemu atau periksa ke dokter gigi. Tuh, jadi Bapak Ibu memposisikan diri Bapak Ibu menjadi orang yang akan mau dikasih saran. You can use this one. If I were you, I would go to the dentist or I would go to the hospital. Thing like that. Atau ini, saran itu tidak harus selalu kalimat aktif atau ya positive sentence, but also bisa pakai tanda tanya ini. Dengan kalimatnya pakai why don't you? Kok kamu enggak? Kok kamu enggak? Contohnya, why don't you meet your dentist? Kok kamu enggak ketemu atau periksa ke dokter gigi kalau lagi sakit gigi? Something like that. Tuh, jadi bisa pakai kalimat tanya, bisa pakai kalimat positive sentence. So which one you want to use to give the suggestion? That's okay, Bapak Ibu. Bapak Ibu bisa pilih number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I provide 5 options that you can use if you want to give suggestion. Ya, Bapak Ibu mau pilih yang mana? Bebas. Nomor 1, 2, 3 aja, Miss. Yang gampang, that's okay. Right. Is there any question so far? Not yet? So far, so good?
So far, so good. Not yet,
So far,
Miss.
so good. Very good. Next, nah, kita ke slide yang selanjutnya ini. How to respond the suggestion. Nah, respon suggestion can be positive and negative. Respon positifnya yang saya cetak warna hitam. Yang negatif saya cetak warna merah. Miss, respon negatif itu gimana? Nah, respon negatif itu when we think that we will not follow the suggestion. Kalau kita berpikir, aduh kayaknya suggestionnya aku nggak ikutin deh, atau suggestionnya kurang deh, atau kurang gitu. Nah, bisa pakai yang warna merah. Kita bahas yang warna hitam dulu. If you accept atau Bapak Ibu menerima suggestionnya, Bapak Ibu bisa bilang, thank you for your suggestion. Satu ini ya. Atau, wow, that's great idea. Nah, bisa juga. Berarti Bapak Ibu think that suggestion from your friends is very great or very good. Can use this. Wow, that's great idea. Kita bisa ini. It sounds good. Kedengarannya menarik tuh, gitu. Atau kalau misalnya suggestionnya mau diikuti, bisa pakai yang ini. I will do that. Thanks. Or, okay, I will try it. Bisa juga dipakai. But, kalau misalnya Bapak Ibu mengira bahwa kayaknya aku nggak mau ikutin suggestionnya deh. Nah, bisa pakai yang merah nomor 1 ini. I don't think that is a good idea. Or, kalau Bapak Ibu kurang cocok sama suggestionnya, pengen dapat saran yang lain, bisa pakai nomor 2. Do you have any other suggestion? Ada saran yang lain nggak? Atau nomor 3 ini bisa juga dipakai. I'm not really sure about that. Tunggu Bapak Ibu. So, the red sentences is when you decline or when you think that the suggestion is not suitable with you. Kalau nggak cocok sama suggestionnya, Bapak Ibu bisa pakai yang warna merah-merah ini. Kalau cocok sama suggestionnya dan akan diikuti sarannya, bisa pakai yang saya cetak hitam. Seperti itu, oke? Tapi perlu diingat, even though the suggestion given by your friend or your teacher or your family doesn't fit you, tidak cocok untuk Bapak Ibu, please don't forget to say thank you, to appreciate their suggestion. Okay? Right? Oke, Bapak Ibu kan sudah pasti tahu lah ini ya, kan sudah dipelajari kemarin, sudah saya kirim filenya. Oke, let's take a look on the next slide. Nah, this one. Ini saatnya untuk latihan, ya Bapak Ibu. Jadi tidak ada PR, tapi saya kasih latihan. Kan Bu Dewi nggak mau dikasih PR. Jadi saya kasih latihan, kita kerjakan hari ini. Alright, so here. Di sini, I have 10 sentences. Tapi belum complete nih ya. 10 sentence, 10 kalimat ini belum complete. Belum lengkap. Masih ada blank here. Oke, masih ada titik-titik di sini. And what you have to do, you have to fill in the blank. Harus
That's
diisi
right.
titik-titik ini
Yo.
dengan apa? Dengan kata-kata yang ada di sini yang saya garis bawahin merah. Jadi dicocokkan aja ya Bapak Ibu. Misalnya, number 1, I really useful your effort. Nah, gitu. Di sini ada 10 kalimat dan sekarang saya bersama 9 peserta, 9 participants. Oke, so masing-masing dari Bapak Ibu punya kesempatan untuk mengisi titik-titik ini. Oke, are you ready?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, maybe I will give you the example for sentence number 1. I really blah 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 your effort on this project. You work hard. Oke, you work hard ini artinya kamu telah bekerja keras. Ini pujian sih sebenarnya Bapak Ibu ya. You work very hard. Oke, I really bla 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 your effort. Your effort ini adalah usahamu di project ini. So it can be I really appreciate your effort on this project. So number one is appreciate.
Appreciate.
Perhatikan, guys. Yes, appreciate is saya sangat menghargai. I really appreciate your effort in this project. Oh, sorry, on this project. You worked hard. Okay. Now, kira-kira number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kira-kira akan seperti apa ini kalimatnya? Does anyone want to try to Bu Wahyu? Okay. Wahyu number 2?
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
Call to
Okay, you can.
call we
Please read.
schedule.
Okay.
Call we
Please
schedule the meeting
Okay.
earlier to give us more preparation time.
Okay. Could we schedule the meeting earlier to give us more preparation time? So number 2 is cool. Very good. Cool. Bisakah kita could we schedule the meeting? Oke, bisakah kita menjadwalkan rapat kita lebih awal biar ada preparation time? So yes, very good, Bu Wahyu. What about number 3?
Number 3, let
Ada
me
yang mau
try.
jawab? Number...
Dewi,
Oke,
Bu.
Pak Faisal. Pak
Iya.
Faisal.
Faisal.
Bu Dewi after this.
Okay.
Okay.
Number
Her
3.
presentation was very clear and easy to follow.
Yes, very good. Your presentation was very clear and easy to follow. Jadi presentasi Bapak atau Ibu sangat jelas dan gampang diikuti. So number 3 is clear. Good job.
Thank
Number
you.
4, Bu Dewi. Bu Dewi wants to try.
I would like to consider checking the figure again before submitting the report.
Okay. I would like to
Consider.
consider. Okay. Consider
Mempertimbangkan.
itu mempertimbangkan. Okay. I would like to consider the figures again before submitting the report. Oke, saya mau mempertimbangkan checking the figures again before submitting the report. Oke, Bu Dewi, my question for you.
Iya. Saya ingin
Saya ingin mau mempertimbangkan untuk mengecek figures atau mengecek gambar atau foto lagi sebelum mengumpulkan laporan. Begitu nggak, Bu? Nah,
recommended ya. Saya ingin
yang mana?
Recommended.
Consider or recommend?
saya
I
ingin
would like to recommend, right? Saya mau merekomendasikan untuk ngecek.
Oh, berarti yang mempertimbangkan itu.
Consider. Saya
Iya.
mau mempertimbangkan untuk ngecek the figures again. Jadi kalau mempertimbangkan berarti kan kita yang mempertimbangkan dirinya, I, right? Kalau recommend berarti merekomendasikan untuk ngecek fotonya lagi sebelum dikumpulkan. So which one? Recommend or consider?
Menyarankan. Suggest.
So if okay,
Menyarankan.
I would like to suggest. Okay, suggest, Ge.
Yeah.
Oke, kita kunci jawabannya. Family 100 kah ini kok dikunci jawabannya? Oke. I would like to suggest checking the figures before submitting the report. Oke, suggest. Oke. Make sense? Masuk akal? Oke, good job, Bu Dewi. Next, number 5. Number 5, please. Nih, coba saya nggak tunjuk siapa jadi volunteers. Because we have 10 sentence.
Saya aja yang nunjuk. Bu Nadila, yo. Ya, Bu Nadila, keluarkan suaranya,
Bu
bro.
Nadila, number 5.
Nomor berapa?
Oh,
Number
Three.
5.
Number 3.
Number 3?
Nomor berapa? 5.
Number 5. Number 5.
Yes, number five is
Improve.
correctly.
One
Dibaca
area
dong
you
Bu
could improve.
kalimatnya.
One area you could improve is time management during your talk.
Okay. One area you could improve is time management during your talk. Yes, good. Bu Nadila. So number 5 is improve. Okay, right. Number 6, please. Come on. Number 6.
Pak Nurali.
Pak Nur Ali, maybe? Or Pak Zardan? Or
Pak
maybe
Zardan is okay.
Bulita. Bulita, I don't hear her voice yet.
Number 6, I miss.
Pak Ali mau nomor berapa?
Number 6.
Number 6, okay.
You add more example in introduction to make too strong.
To make it stronger. Okay, your answer is consider.
Anda menambahkan lebih banyak contoh dalam lebih baik.
Which one? Pak Ali, titik-titiknya diisi apa?
Yes. Pusaka sudah ya?
Suggest? Sudah, suggest.
Sudah.
In my opinion,
Okay, Pak Faisal maybe?
maybe
Useful.
could.
Consider.
Could sudah.
Consider.
Useful.
Could sudah.
Useful.
Oke, useful ini artinya berguna,
Guna.
bermanfaat. Oke, useful you add, I think it doesn't make sense, belum cocok gitu Pak kalau pakai useful. Oke, you add more example,
Number
artinya
7.
Consider.
Bapak
Consider.
menambahkan contoh contoh lain di introduction, di awal, di introduction. What is introduction in bahasa Indonesia? Perkenalan, menambah beberapa contoh lain di bagian introduction to make it stronger, untuk membuatnya lebih kuat. Gitu. Kira-kira apa? Perhaps which one? Yang belum recommend, perhaps, useful, with, which one? Perhaps. Perhaps itu artinya maybe ya Pak, atau mungkin. Mungkin you add more example. If we use perhaps, kalau kita pakai perhaps, nah setelah you harus ada can-nya Pak. Perhaps you can add more example. Nah, gitu. Ayo, Pak. Useful, no. Perhaps, no. Yang mana kira-kira?
Consider. Apa?
Consider itu artinya pertimbangkan. Kalau
Pertimbangkan.
consideration itu pertimbangan. Kalau consider mempertimbangkan. Nah, kita coba ya Bapak Ibu. Kita coba ya consider. Consider you add more example in the introduction to make it stronger. Coba pertimbangkan Bapak menambahkan lebih banyak example in the introduction to make it stronger. Does it make sense Bapak Ibu? Masuk akal atau tidak if we put consider to number 6? Yes or no?
No.
Not nice.
No, why?
Not nice.
Mana ya?
Why not?
Maybe I still consist on could.
Could is already on number 2, Pak.
Yeah, but it is very suitable. It's very
Oh,
suitable.
yeah.
Comparing with others.
Okay. Could we schedule the meeting earlier? Okay. Now, our job is to find the suitable words to put on number 6. Apa kira-kira? Is that consider?
Great. You add
Great
more example
is
in the introduction to make it stronger. Maybe.
Okay. Great
The
is
intonation.
adjective. Great is adjective. Great itu kata sifat. Kata sifat bisa dipakai.
Maybe
Sebentar Bapak Ibu, kata sifat itu bisa dipakai jika di belakang kata sifat itu adalah kata benda. Tapi like this one, beautiful girl. Nah, like that. If we put great on number 6, great, you add more example.
It's
Itu
not
maksudnya
match.
gimana Pak? Great. I don't think it's great number 6. It can be considered or perhaps.
Perhaps means.
Yes. Or
I think it's perhaps. You add more
Perhaps is
examples.
getting
perhaps
closer.
is maybe.
Getting closer.
Okay. What about consider? What about consider? You don't think that
Consider,
consider
you
is suitable? Consider means pertimbangkan.
Maybe.
Pertimbangkan.
It can be. It can be.
Okay. So
It
is
can
that
be.
perhaps or kita coba yang perhaps dulu ya Bapak Ibu. Number 6 is perhaps.
Because
Perhaps.
consider
Hmm?
because consider is matched in number 10.
Okay. It can be interchangeably. Kita cek habis ini. Okay. Number 9. Number 6 is perhaps. What about 7? Oh, tadi Pak. No. What about number 7? I think your design is. Oh, who's that?
Bu Dewi nyoba lagi.
Oh, Bu Dewi. Okay. Okay, Bu Dewi. Number 7.
I think your design is great, but you might want to make the color more formal.
Okay. I think your design is great, but you may want to make the colors more formal. Yes, it makes sense. Great, yeah. Number 7. Okay, number 7 is great. And then number 8.
I try, Miss.
Okay, Bu Ama.
Recommend. May I recommend that
May I?
we divide class? Recommend.
Okay, may
Oh,
I
recommend.
recommend? Okay. May I recommend that may I recommend that we divide the tasks more equally among team members?
Team member.
Okay,
Recommend.
it can be recommend.
Masuk.
Number 8. Nah, recommend sama suggest ini sebenarnya sama nggih Bapak Ibu? Suggest kan nomor 4, recommend nomor 7. Sebenarnya jika nomor 4 itu recommend, it's also okay I think. And nomor 8 suggest, it's also okay. So it can be used interchangeably, bisa dibolak-balik. Karena artinya kan hampir sama, saran dan recommendation. Okay. Next, number 9. Number 9 is very easy.
Full.
Oh, ini.
Useful.
Useful, berguna.
Useful, yes. Okay. Your
Okay.
report was very detailed and useful.
Okay.
Laporannya sangat detail, sangat jelas dan useful for the audience. Sudah kita tahu useful number 9. Nah, berarti Bu Lita akhirnya muncul. Bu Lita, oh my God. Bu Lita, where have you been? Bu Lita, dari mana aja Bu Lita?
Jaringan
Okay.
masuk sampai
Oh,
press
okay.
saya.
Okay, that's okay. Bu Lita, number 10, please.
Number 10, consider.
Consider we ask for input from the finance department before finalizing the proposal. Pertimbangkan kita meminta input dari Departemen Keuangan before finalizing the report. Okay, number 10 consider. Alright, Bapak Ibu. By the way, Bapak Ibu, sebelumnya ini sudah dikerjakan apa belum? Sebelum our meeting, sudah dikerjakan apa belum?
Sudah.
Sudah ya.
Belum.
Oke. Ada yang sudah. Ada yang belum. That's okay. Alright, thank you so much for helping me to complete this sentence. Now, next task or next assignment. Tugas selanjutnya, tenang ini bukan PR. Bu Dewi nggak mau saya kasih PR. Oke, Bu, noted. Akan saya ingat-ingat. Oke, right. Nah, this one Bapak Ibu. Okay, here we have two table. or we have two column. Ya, kita punya dua kolom di sini. Column A ini adalah problems-nya. Kita punya problems number 1 to number 8. Problems masalah nomor 1 sampai 8. Nah, di column B we have response. The response or the suggestion. For the problems in column A. Nah, what you have to do, yang harus Bapak Ibu lakukan adalah Bapak Ibu have to match, harus menyocokkan problem di kolom A, nomor 1 sampai nomor 8, dengan responnya di kolom B. Gampang nggak ini kira-kira Bapak Ibu? Easy, right?
Easy peasy, easy.
Easy peasy, it's a piece of cake. Right. For example,
So.
biasa aja.
So-so itu apa?
So-so itu
Apa, Pak?
biasa aja.
Biasa
So,
aja,
so.
so.
Ya, biasa aja. Oke.
Kalau ngerti artinya, paham artinya ya, is okay.
Ya, kita coba ya Bapak Ibu. I will give you example for problem number 1. Akan saya coba memberi example untuk problem number 1. Oke. Number 1, the problem is the project team missed the deadline by 1 day. Miss ini artinya ketinggalan. Deadline ini adalah ya deadline. By 1 day ini 1 hari. Jadi tim project ini ketinggalan deadline atau telat deadline-nya telat 1 hari. Oke. Keywords-nya adalah deadline. Keywordnya adalah deadline dan missed. Nah, coba kita cari responnya di kolom B.
Kayaknya.
This one.
Yeah.
Ini ya.
Yes,
I
exactly.
just setting earlier internal deadlines to avoid delays. Jadi saya sarankan untuk menyeting atau ya menyeting ya, mengatur deadline-nya sebelumnya untuk menghindari ini delays. Betul. Number 1 is I. Betul. Tadi siapa yang jawab I? Bu Dewi.
Saya.
Bu Dewi.
Oh, Bu
Bu Dewi,
Wahyu.
ayo.
Bu Dewi juga.
Bu
Okay,
Dewi.
right? Good job. Good job. So that's why. So that's how we solve the problem ya Bapak Ibu. Jadi begitu caranya kita menyelesaikan problems ini yang ada 8. Responnya, suggestionnya ada di kolom B. Tinggal dicocokin aja, oke? Easy, right?
Yeah. Easy.
Okay. Now, let's move to number 2.
Can I try?
Kira-kira. Sure. Bu Wahyu wants to try.
The new employee looks nervous when giving presentation.
Okay,
My
the new
suggestion,
employee. Okay, your suggestion.
my suggestion, you seem a bit nervous. With more practice, your confidence will grow.
Which one is that?
H.
Age. Okay.
H.
Okay, let's pay attention Bapak Ibu. Monggo diperhatikan problem number 2. The new employee. Nah, employee ini artinya karyawan, ya. Employee is karyawan. Kalau yang pemilik perusahaan gitu, misalnya kan ada karyawan, ada bosnya. Nah, bosnya ini namanya employer. Employer belakangnya R. Kalau employee ini karyawan, ya. So karyawan baru, new employee looks nervous, terlihat nervous, deretek. What is nervous in bahasa Indonesia? Gugup, yes, gugup. Terlihat gugup when giving presentation, saat memberikan presentasi, saat menyajikan presentasi. And then suggestion from Bu Wahyu is H, yang huruf H ini Bapak Ibu. You seem a bit nervous. Kamu kelihatan, a bit means sedikit ya Bapak Ibu. You seem a bit nervous. Kamu kelihatan sedikit gugup ya. With more practice, dengan latihan, your confidence will be grow. Kepercayaan dirimu akan berkembang. Jadi Bapak Ibu yang masih sering gugup, masih takut-takut mau ngomong bahasa Inggris, you need to have more practice. Harus banyak latihan. Kayaknya ketemu saya seminggu sekali nggak cukup ya. Gimana kalau tiap hari aja?
Di rumah aja, Miss. Satu rumah saya yang belum bisa bahasa Inggris.
Nah, what about your family, Bu Dewi? Your children, maybe your husband? They can speak English?
My husband, yes. Yeah.
Oh, so that's good for you to learn from them.
Apa itu artinya?
Nah, berarti bagus buat Bu Dewi buat belajar. Bu Dewi, if I were you, I would learn from my family. Kalau saya jadi Bu Dewi, pas saya ajak ngomong bahasa Inggris itu orang rumah, nggak apa-apa salah-salah dikit.
Masalahnya saya pusing kalau banyak mikir, Miss.
Bu Dewi nggak usah terlalu dipikirin. Just speak. Just deliver what on your mind. Nggak apa-apa Bu Dewi. Making mistake nggak perlu dipikirin. Ngomong aja gitu. Right? Okay? After this ya Bu Dewi. After this, nanti tanya sama anaknya. What do you want to eat for dinner? Gitu. Kamu mau makan apa buat makan malam? Gitu. Harus pakai bahasa Inggris. Oke? Yes, Bu Dewi? What do you want to eat for dinner? Yes, semangat. Alright. Now we move to number 3. Ayo, siapa yang mau coba nomor 3?
Saya
Oke. Bu Lita. Finally. Bu Lita number 3.
Number 3.
Okay.
The budget doesn't include travel expenses.
Alright.
Yang B. Perhaps
B.
we could double check the budget to add travel cost.
Okay, good job. The budget proposal does not include travel expense. Expense ini pengeluaran ya Bapak Ibu. Jadi proposal untuk budgetnya itu tidak termasuk does not include ini tidak termasuk travel expense, pengeluaran untuk travel. Jadi suggestionnya kata Bu Lita adalah yang B. Perhaps we could double check the budget to add travel costs. Mungkin kita bisa cek kembali, do double check, cek lagi the budget, pengeluaran untuk travel. Okay, good job. Good. What about number 4?
Miss,
Oke, Bu Dewi.
Okay.
Good.
The meeting start 20 minutes late.
20 minutes. 20 minutes late. Jadi
late.
Yes, telat 20 menit meetingnya.
Why don't we start meeting on time to respect everyone schedule?
Nah, itu bisa loh, Bu Dewi. Bagus loh, benar jawabannya. Good job. Bilang nggak bisa ngomong bahasa Inggris orang pinter gitu loh. Okay, thank you for your suggestion.
Dibilang pinter langsung dikelitikin.
Bu, salam buat suaminya. Bapak nanti malam ditraktir makan malam di luar. Bu Dewi pinter ya, Pak. Jangan disuruh masak. Makan malam di luar, oke? Harus dapat reward. Harus dapat reward, Bu Dewi. Oke, good job, good job. Late ini artinya terlambat. Jadi meetingnya terlambat 20 menit. Good. What about number 5? Maybe Pak Nur wants to try again number 5?
Pak Nur masih merenung, Ibu. Nah,
Pak Nur?
Pak Nur.
What about number 5? Number 5 is talking about design. Kata kuncinya design nih, Pak. Pak masih mute?
Oh, itu udah kelihatan.
Pak Nur masih mute, ngapunten. Iya. Oke. Number 5, Pak Nur.
Professional and modern.
Oke. Kata kuncinya design. Jadi yang mana Pak responnya? Kira-kira dibaca mulai dari yang A. Yang B udah. The design. Kata kuncinya adalah design. The design looks professional and modern.
Well, your design look very professional.
Yes, good job. So this one, well done. Well done ini artinya good job, great job. Artinya keren, ya, keren. Your design looks very professional. Desainmu sangat terlihat sangat profesional. Well done itu artinya good job atau great job gitu. Kalau kita lagi makan steak, well done artinya bukan good job, tapi steaknya matang. Gitu. Kalau lagi makan steak kan biasanya ditanya, Ibu tingkat kematangannya apa? Well done, Mas. Oh, itu berarti steaknya matang. Oke, good job, Pak Nur.
Yes.
Next, number 6, Bu Ama is raising hand. Bu Ama, number 6.
I'll try. The manager spoke very clearly in the briefing.
Okay.
And I guess the answer in column B is number C. Your
C.
presentation is confident and well structured.
Okay, your presentation was confident and well structured because the manager spoke very clearly in the briefing. Yes. Good job. Good job, Bu Ama. Good. Next, please. Masih ada lagi. Maybe Pak Agung. Pak Agung wants to try.
Bu Ama jawabannya apa ini tadi?
Bu Ama yang C.
Jawabannya C.
C. Number 6 is C.
Pak
Number
Agung.
7, Pak Agung. Mana nih Pak
Yes,
Agung? Okay, number 7, Pak.
the training session was too long and tiring.
Tiring. Okay.
Tiring.
The training
Tiring.
session was too long and tiring. Oke, jadi sesi trainingnya terlalu lama. Was too long ini terlalu lama and tiring. Tiring ini melelahkan gitu, Pak. Ya, ayo yang responnya yang mana? Yang saya tandai respon di kolom P berarti sudah. Yang belum yang mana?
Yang ini ya, maybe we would plan more breaks during the training.
Yes, maybe we could plan more breaks during the training. Nah, ini Pak, ini bacanya during. Kita bacanya pakai huruf J aja. During the training. Maybe we could plan more breaks during the training. Kayaknya kita perlu ini deh, perlu apa? Merencanakan istirahat lebih deh selama training. Biar nggak terlalu panjang dan nggak terlalu melelahkan. Good job, Pak Agung. Oh my God, I'm so happy. What about number 8? The last one. Siapa yang mau?
Let me try.
Miss. Oh,
Oh,
yes.
Pak Faisal? Okay, sure.
Yeah, I will choose for the number 8 is alphabet E.
E. Okay, the report contains some spelling mistake. Berarti ada kesalahan spelling atau spelling is pelafalan. Yes, spelling is pengejaan, ejaan. Salah eja. Okay. The answer, the response is E. I noticed a few spelling mistake, so you might want to proofread more carefully. Nah, Bapak Ibu, do you know the meaning of proofread here? Ada yang tahu artinya proofread?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, you know, right? Yes, proofread is pengecekan. Yes, pengecekan. Gitu. Biar tidak ada misspelling atau typo, so you need to proofread more carefully. Good job, Pak. Pak Faisal. Yay!
Betul.
Good job. So happy that you got them right. Jawabannya benar semua. Okay, now, right, let's practice. Now, it's time for Bapak Ibu to practice, to give me suggestion. Kita latihan untuk memberi saran ya setelah ini ya. Oke, Bapak Ibu. Jadi hari ini, saya menemui Bapak Ibu dengan permasalahan hidup saya yang ada di sini. Di layar Bapak Ibu. Di layar Bapak Ibu itu adalah permasalahan hidup saya. Jadi saya pura-pura orang yang problematik, banyak masalah. And then, I need you to give suggestion. Okay? So my first problem is that I am a businesswoman. Ini pura-pura aja nggih Bapak Ibu. I am a businesswoman and I want to expand, memperluas jaringan of my business. What should I do? Kira-kira saya tuh harus apa ya untuk bisa memperluas bisnis ini? Let's say my business is bisnis apa ya yang kira-kira? Bisnis kos-kosan. Amin. So how can I expand my business around this country, for example? Seluruh Indonesia tuh saya pengen punya bisnis kos-kosan. What should I do? What is your suggestion for me to expand my business? Kira-kira saya harus apa ya Bapak Ibu?
Me, Miss.
Yes, Pak Faisal.
My suggestion is you have to strengthen your first business
Okay.
before expanding.
Okay, so I have to strengthen my first business, my first
Yeah.
kos-kosan before
Yeah.
I expand to another kos-kosan.
Yes.
Alright, good job. Amin ya Allah, punya bisnis kos-kosan. Thank you, Pak Faisal, for your
Welcome.
suggestion. My next problem, because I am a woman ya, Bapak Ibu, biasanya cewek itu suka galau gitu. I am planning a holiday. Saya tuh pengen liburan, but I'm not sure where to go. Tapi nggak tahu kemana. Nah, what is your suggestion?
I suggest
Yes, Bu Wahyu?
you maybe you
Masih ayah.
can go, yeah. Maybe you can go
Shopping nih.
beach.
Maybe I can go to
Beach.
where? Oh, maybe I
Beach.
can go to the beach.
Supermarket.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, supermarket. Okay,
Supermarket.
Bu Wahyu, what is your recommendation for me to go to?
Maybe you can go to the beach.
Yeah, I mean what beach?
Duh, di Lombok itu apa Bu Dewi?
Nggak
Ada
tahu.
Bu Dewi.
Nusa something?
Gigi, Senggigi.
Senggigi. Senggigi
Yes.
Beach. Oh,
Senggigi
alright.
Beach
Okay, after this.
or Pantai Selatan.
Waduh, ketemunya
Malang
Blorong saya
Selatan.
nanti, Bu.
Malang Selatan.
Alright. Thank you, Bu
Balik
Wahyu,
Tambang.
for your suggestion.
balik.
Maybe after I close this meeting, after I close this class, I will go to Lombok.
Oh, good.
Amin. If only I can do that, yeah. Okay, and then Bu Dewi, what is your suggestion? Your suggestion for me to go to the supermarket?
Iya. Ya,
Okay.
Inggris.
What will I do there? Saya ngapain Bu di supermarket, Bu?
Shopping.
Shop.
Shop.
Okay. Interesting suggestion. That sounds great. Thank you, Bu Dewi. Okay, Bapak Ibu. My next problem on the next slide. Nah, this one. My next problem is, it's hard for me to manage my time. Saya susah sekali mengatur waktu. What is your suggestion? It's hard for me to manage my time. Is there any suggestion for me? Come on,
Ayo
Bapak
yang
Ibu.
Me, Miss.
lain.
Ayo, Bapak Ibu yang
Me.
lain. Okay, who's that?
Faisal.
Faisal.
Oh, Pak Faisal. Okay, sure.
To solve your problem, I suggest you to make priority scale.
Okay, to make priority scale.
Yeah. Is
So,
it enough?
do you mean that I have to make a list on
Yes, right.
the first thing is the very important thing to do, and then what should do after that, like that?
Yes.
Oh, okay, okay.
Where is the important ones and what is the urgent one?
Yes. Makes sense.
Yeah.
That sounds great,
Priority
Pa. I will
scale.
try. I will
Make
try to do
priority
that.
scale list. Maybe like that.
Yes. Okay. Thank you so much.
Plan
I'll
tonight
try.
for tomorrow and do your hardest like first thing in the morning.
Yeah.
Once-
Okay. All right. So what I usually do is actually on my phone is I make to-do list actually, but sometimes I don't make a priority scale like what Pak Faisal suggests me. I just need, oh, in this time I have to do this, something like that. But there is no priority scale. But I will try to
Miss.
follow Pak Faisal suggestion. Okay. Next, Pak Nur. Pak Nur, do you say
Yes.
something? Okay. Well, okay. What is your suggestion to my next problem? My next problem or this
Problem.
problem?
Problem.
Your
If
problem?
there's a problem, is there is a change in my lecture hour. It is difficult for me to change to another time. Saya sulit
Okay.
mengatur waktu kalau jam kuliah ada perubahan.
Bapak, so what about our reschedule for next week? Is that okay for you, Pak?
Yes, Bu.
Yang awalnya kita next week minggu depan hari Rabu, apakah memungkinkan untuk diganti ke hari Sabtu jam 1:30?
Mungkin Bu. Cuma ketika ada perubahan itu, aduh, alhamdulillah selama ini semuanya saya ikut, nggak pernah nggak bisa.
Berarti next week aman gitu, Pak? Next week aman. Oke, alhamdulillah.
Ini saya menceritakan sulitnya ngatur waktu kalau sudah ada perubahan itu.
Oke. Or maybe do you have another schedule? Mungkin Pak Nur ada schedule yang lain hari Sabtu jam 1:30?
Oh ya, sudah langsung tak rubah sudah. Begitu tadi ada perubahan, saya sudah calling. Nanti kamu gini, aku gini.
Oh my God, sorry. I'm sorry, Pak Nur.
Banyak dosen yang lain kan juga begitu sering berubah. Tapi kami ngikutin, tidak masalah. Cuma terus terang perubahan ya sama lah. Seperti Ibu kan ada kesulitan gitu. Tapi kesulitan itu kalau kita sabar, tenang, ada jalan keluar.
Thank you. Alright, thank you, Pak Nur. Thank you so much. Okay, my next problem is this one. I cannot speak English, Bapak Ibu. What should I do? This one. I cannot speak English. What should I do?
You
Maybe
should
Pak Nur wants to give me suggestion?
Oh, sebentar, pikir dulu.
Okay.
you should study or take course online or course offline, and apa ya? Kayaknya itu aja, berlatih
Okay. So
every day.
Okay. So I should join either online or online or offline English course, and then do exercise every day. All right. Thank you, Bu Wahyu. Maybe Pak Nur wants to give me suggestion.
Bu, nggak keluar.
Okay, that's okay. Bu Ama,
I try, Miss.
what is your suggestion? Yes, what is your suggestion for me? I cannot speak English.
The first thing you have to find something something secret for you until you want to know more about speaking English. Like you can listening English music or watching film in English, and maybe in the YouTube short or TikTok right now, the English there's influencer the influencer right now there is
That's okay.
there is so many influencer to inspire you for speaking in English with confidence.
Okay. Thank you so much for the suggestion. So, let's move to the next slide. Kita cek ya, apakah ada masalah hidup saya yang lain? Right. Oh, ternyata tidak ada. Sudah selesai. Masalah hidup saya sudah terpecahkan berkat suggestion from Bapak Ibu semuanya. Thank you so much for helping me to give me suggestion to solve my problems in my life. All right, Bapak Ibu. So that is our topic of discussion for today about asking for, giving, and also responding suggestion. Right? Sebelumnya, previously, we learned on how to. Sebelumnya kita belajar apa? Sesi pertama tadi. Do you still remember?
The fact, the opinion Facts,
Reflect.
Fact and
opinion.
Opinion and fact, and how to give opinion. And now we learn on how to give suggestion. Hopefully, mudah-mudahan, I hope that what we learn together will be useful for Bapak Ibu semua. So, next, if you want to express your opinion, suatu hari, mungkin nanti malam rapat RT, rapat RW, Bapak Ibu bisa share your opinion in English. Ya,
Yes.
itu. Atau give suggestion in English. Think like that, gitu.
Suggestion.
Yeah, right. You can use that phrases or expression to express your opinion and also your suggestion because it is important for us, Bapak Ibu, to express our opinion, to express our suggestion karena siapa tahu orang lain itu butuh suggestion kita, butuh opinion kita, something like that. Okay? So, is there any question so far? No question?
No question, Miss.
Oke, kalau nggak ada question saya kasih PR. Nggak ada PR untuk hari ini Bapak Ibu. Insya Allah tidak akan ada PR untuk hari ini, tapi saya nggak tahu minggu depan ya. Insya Allah tidak minggu depan. Nanti
Pak Nur
langsung ke
Ali siap
project.
PR.
Oh, Pak Nur Ali siap PR.
Khusus
Kemarin aja yang kumpulin pertama kayaknya Pak Nur Ali project itu ya.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, thank you so much, Bapak Ibu, for today. I hope that our material today, what we learned together, will be useful for all of us, not only for you, but also for me. Thank you so much also for teaching me, for giving me a new experience and information. I really appreciate that. I pray to God, semoga Bapak Ibu selalu sehat, Allah panjangkan umurnya, kasih umur barokah, bahagia selalu, and then Allah lancarkan studinya, Allah lancarkan hidupnya, family-nya, and everything in your life. Mudah-mudahan Allah lindungi Bapak Ibu semuanya. Thank you so much. I think that's all for today. I will see you again next week on Saturday, okay, Bapak Ibu. Next week kita akan bertemu hari Sabtu.
Oh iya Bu, materinya kalau bisa hari Selasa tetap hari Selasa ngasihkan materinya Bu, supaya ada waktu belajar.
Siap. Berarti waktu belajarnya lebih panjang, oke? Nanti malam saya buatkan materi untuk minggu depan. Thank you so much, Bapak Ibu, for today. See you next week. And I will close this meeting by saying wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Thank you so much. See you next week, Bapak Ibu. Sehat-sehat.
Thank you very much. Beneran, thank you very much.
Yes, thank you
Thank
very
you
much.
very much. Very good. Arigatou gozaimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu. Oke, Bu Dewi ingat ya, malam ini nggak usah masak. Bu Dewi minta makan malam di luar aja.